Hey, what's up, all? All right, the Fitbit Inspire 2 is coming in the mail here. I jumped ahead a little bit and I went through the unboxing of the box part. So, there's a couple of things in the box here. Okay, quick start guide, and there's the box. And then over here, let's see if I can center that. All right, looks really good. That's it right there. Oh, I don't know if that's in focus. Hope it is. And then it's saying Fitbit mobile app download, and it's on right now. It's got like a nice slim look there. That's good. Very minimalistic. And I went with the darker black here, so that's that. Let's see what else we got. Looks like there is. Okay, so that's that. Some more information here, product information. And we have the charger. It looks like it's the charger USB in the bin. I'll quickly just get that out of the frame there. All right. This is the charger here, so it's a USB, and this clips onto the back of the Fitbit, it looks like. And cool, I didn't know that you would get an extra band, so that's nice. That comes in really handy, actually. So I'll just put these together, you know, get a little fancy, why not? Okay, there you go, just like that. Now I'll undo this, open this up here and see how the other side looks. Okay, that is the heart rate monitor, and then the three, that's the conductive points for the charger, correct? Yes, something like that. Cool. Okay, and that's pretty much it. I guess the band is removable, so there's a little point here. It's like a metal pin, it looks like. And I could remove this band and then put this band on if I'd like. Overall, it's much slimmer than I thought. I thought the band would be a little bit thicker, and I thought the whole device would be a little bit thicker. So I like how it's much, like, pretty slim there. So that's makes a difference over time. We'll be wearing this quite a bit, so, and we'll see how it goes. I'll take a look at this here. I'll just take this off. And let's see, I'll just clip this on, see what it looks like here. So there's the conductor side, the conductor points, sorry. So it looks like that. And then I'll clip them on. Okay. Felt painless. That stays on like that, so I will plug this into my USB. And that should do it. And then how do you unclip this? You just pull this off, I guess, or hold the edges. Curious. I don't want to ruin anything. Okay. I'm just gonna pull it. Okay. I guess that's all you do. Sweet. Alright. So, and just take a look at that band there. Cool. So far, impressed with the size of it. It's smaller than I thought it would be. Very happy about that. And okay, that should do it. Thanks a lot.